So let us solve another question on cache memory. That is, the width of the physical address on a machine is 40 bits. The width of the tag field in a 512 KB 8-way set associative cache is how many bits? Let's have a look at. Okay. Now, the width of the physical address of a machine is 40 digits. Now let us draw this. Total is 40 digits. Okay. Because physical address is equal to 40. So this is 40 digits. Okay. The width of the tag field in a 512 KB 8-way set associative cache is. Now we'll write the cache. Cache is equal to 512 KB, which requires 19 digits because 2 power 19 is equal to 512 KB. Okay. So cache memory is equal to 19. So initially we need to divide index plus tag. Index is equal to 19. Tag is equal to 21. Right? So index, that is 512 KB, index must be subdivided into again word field and a block field. Here we don't need to do that practice because we are not provided with the block size. The block size is not given. So we don't need to bother about how to divide the index field into the word field and the block field. You don't need to divide this. Since the size of the block is not available, so we can ignore. Okay. Now the thing is, 512 KB, this is 8-way set associative. 8-way set associative. So you know that in 2-way set associative mapping, tag is equal to tag plus 1, index is equal to index minus 1. I will write it here. For 2-way, tag is equal to tag plus 1, comma, index is equal to index minus 1. For 4-way, tag is equal to tag plus 2, index is equal to index minus 2. When it comes to 8-way, 8 requires 3 digits, that is tag is equal to tag plus 3 and index is equal to index minus 3, which means that index will be equal to 16, tag will be equal to 21 plus 3, that is equal to 24. Index is equal to 19 minus 3, that is equal to 16. Tag is equal to 21 plus 3, that is equal to 24. The number of digits that are needed to represent the tag field in a 512 KB 8-way set associative cache is 24 bits when the physical address is equal to 40 digits. So the answer is 24 digits.